Hey guys, here's Louie, and this time I'm not working on a first gen Firebird. I'm working on a first gen Camaro. And this Camaro I'm helping out here, a buddy of mine, is an original Daytona yellow car, original 4-speed car, and original Super Sport car, big block car also. All right, if anybody's interested out there, he might be letting this one go. He really doesn't know yet. He just picked it up, but it also has a posse. We did figure it out, and she spins forward. I'm trying to do this with one hand, and the other side also spins forward, and when we spin it backwards, the other side also spinning backwards. Her interior is pretty much complete. All right, somebody back in the day, God knows when, they changed out the pedals from 4-speed. They still kept the 4-speed brake. I also did that a long time ago. And as you could see, if you really know your stuff for the first gen F body, because Firebird did the same thing, the pedal says disc brakes. And that's the way you're gonna know that it's a disc brake car, and which it is, because we just took them off. They was frozen. But this car is amazing. It has the rack top still. Okay. I mean, really worth saving because it's such a rare car. And being a 69 Camaro, who doesn't want one of these in their collection? If I didn't have so many birds, I probably would have too. But yeah, she's there. She's all there. All right. If you're pretty good in doing metal work, this car, you could save it. And if you're not that good, watch Louie at First Generation Garage. It's enough information on the birds that it pretends the same thing to these cars. Well guys, here's Louie sharing what I am working on this weekend. 1969 Camaro, big block car, a true Super Sport, a true 4-speed car, and still having the original Daytona yellow paint on it. Take care now. Bye-bye.